Hey you, yeah you, do you struggle coming up with good ideas all the time? Well, lucky for you, in this video, I'm going to share some ideas on how you can keep those creative juices flowing. Hi, I'm Nick Greenawalt. I'm a motion designer, an artist, a creator, and a self-proclaimed idea guy. The most common question that I get asked is, what is your hair care routine? The second most common question that I get asked is, how do you always stay creative? And I think it comes down to a few things. Finding inspiration, having clear goals, and being able to advocate for yourself. And some of these things, they don't come easy. So I want to try to break down some tips and tricks that I've learned over the years that have really helped me out. In this video, I'm going to be covering setting goals, tracking your ideas, and last, but certainly not least, taking action. So let's talk about your goals. What do you want to achieve? And how can you get there? How do you know what you want to achieve? For me, this didn't really become clear until I actually wrote this stuff down. So let's try a little exercise, shall we? All you need is a little blank wall space and some Post-it notes. And if you don't have any Post-it notes, feel free to write directly onto the wall. Arrange your Post-it notes on a wall like this: 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 1 year. What is a goal you have for yourself in 1 year? When I first did this exercise, my goal was to go freelance. So that's going to be my goal here. Let's fill in some shorter term goals. We want our shorter term goals to be smaller segments of the larger term goals. And it's important that these goals are actionable, not vague. So for example, instead of get more clients, let's try email 3 client leads. When you accomplish a goal, you can take it off the wall. And the reason we're using Post-it notes here is because sometimes you don't hit all your goals. That's okay. You can move stuff around on the wall and celebrate your wins. When you write everything out and it's on the wall in front of you and you're looking at it every day, you're holding yourself accountable. Don't underestimate the power of writing. There's something scientifically magical about putting your hand to paper, because while your hand is physically connected to the paper, your brain cannot physically concentrate on anything else, and you cannot get distracted. This, of course, is according to a scientific study that I made up right now. Okay, so you got some goals, but how do you actually achieve them? Let's talk about inspiration. We already talked about the scientific importance of writing stuff down. And if you think I'm joking, I want to show you just how serious I am. I keep a notebook in every single room of my house because my memory is not so good and I don't want to lose any idea that might come to me at any moment. In my office, in my kitchen, in my car, in my bedroom, even in my shower. Write down all of your ideas, no matter the quality. Keep them synced up on a Google Doc. No matter how dumb or insignificant you think they might be, write them down. You never know when you might come back to an idea days, weeks, months, or years later, and that little seed that you planted might sprout into a beautiful idea flower. Now, just writing down your ideas isn't enough. You actually got to do them. But you are smart and creative and beautiful and brave. So that's the easy part. The hard part is putting your work and yourself out there. But this is also the most important part, because if you don't do it, no one else is gonna do it. And you never know where an opportunity is gonna lead. Because if you think an idea is good, that means other people are gonna think it's good. The things that you make because you think they're good ideas, that you make out of passion, are most likely going to be the things that have the biggest impact on your life and your career. The things that you just have to go after. And you can't be afraid of failure, okay? Failure is a good thing. Nobody gets it right the first time. They just failed enough times that they got it right that time. And not everyone is going to like your stuff. That's okay. There are people out there who don't like pizza. If there are people out there who don't like pizza, then that means you can't please everybody. So there's no point in trying. Make the stuff that you like, do the stuff you want to do, and be true to yourself. And be your own biggest cheerleader. Advocate for yourself. Did you make something cool? That's cool. Show everyone and explain why it's cool. I'm always the first one to like my own videos. If I don't like them, why would anybody else? And that's it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and that it helps you achieve all of your wildest hopes and dreams. And if you want to learn even more about getting on the right road for success, be sure to check out School of Motion's demo reel dash. And if you did like this video, then be sure to click that subscribe button and that bell notification icon so you can be alerted when the next tutorial drops. Thank you for watching and take care.